Gikundi kia Airitu ni kimwe gia ikundi iria iheanite mathomo megemaini na njira cia guthingatithia utheru hindi iria Airitu na Atumia mari kahinda-ini kao ka mweri, kuona aingi ao ni maconokaga makiria Airitu a thukuru. Ona kuhana uguo, murimu wa COVID-19 uria uthiete na mbere na guthingithia bururi ni umwe wa maundu maria macungiriirie Atumia na Airitu kuremwo ni kugura tauro cia utheru ni wagi wa mbeca.
Sisi tunahangaika sana, hata wamama vile wanakaa bila hiyo sanitary towel. Hao wanahangaika sana vile wanakaa tu bila, hata unaona hata akitembea hivi unaona.
Domtila Chesang murugamiriri wa gikundi kia Airitu augite maheanite mathomo itanya ari kugiriria ciiko cia Airitu anini kuohanda, gukumithia ugimaria wa ciana cia Airitu, undu umwe na kuheana tauro na nguo cia thiini ni wagi wa mbeca.
And we realized that these women have more problems than we actually thought. So we decided to go back and come back with some gifts that we can use as an entry point to reach out to the women and to also build the trust between the Airitu Foundation and this group of women from this village.
Mwarimu munene wa thukuru wa secondary wa Propoi James Muria ugite mathomo maya ni meguteithiriria mwana wa muiritu na njira ya kugiriria o guconoka makiria hindi iria thukuru ikahingurwo mwaka twerekeire.
Once they get the education, they will understand why FGM is wrong. And once they have become like women, they will know how to take care of themselves, hygienically, and they will pass that on to other small kids that are coming up.
Mwena-ini wake muhunjia wa kanitha wa Agip Daniel Kaporio na ugite unduire wa ruriri rwa Pokot ni gukorwo gitianirio na ni muhituke ni mahinda, kuona Atumia na Airitu matitikiriti gukuruhana na mahiu hindi ya kahinda kao ka mweri. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV Retora kwani wa Boi wa Maina.